Hi, my name is Lori, and this is IDZYN2SELL, where I help you fix problems in your home that make it easier to sell or maybe make it to where you decide to stay where you're at. So join me on this journey. To give you a little bit of information about myself, I began my adult life as an interior designer back in 1986. So that's been many, many years ago. And although that is not how I currently make my living, actually, I just retired, but I did that for 10 years until I got injured on a job. And then I decided I wanted to become a teacher after that because I was a little bored. But just because I didn't continue on as a paid interior designer through a company, I still continued to do design work on the side, and I still to this day do it. A lot of times we've done them on our own houses. I think we've owned 7 or 8 houses up to this point. Some have been rental properties. A lot of them have been the ones that we have lived in. But what has always been unique about our home is that we had a large family. We had 5 children and didn't have a lot of money. And we really needed at least 4 bedrooms, if not 5. And that's really, really difficult to find on a tight budget. So we had to be very creative when we looked at the floor plans of the homes that we lived in. And one of my greatest skills that I am quite proud of is I can change a floor plan and make it work for just about any situation. And I've done this multiple times. Luckily, my husband was a contractor, and so when I would come up with my ideas, he would do it. But just like the cobbler's shoes are never perfect and the cobbler's family never has shoes, pretty much our house was never completed because he was always working on other people's homes, and well, I was always changing things. So we are now in the house that we are retiring in, and we are never, ever, ever, ever going to move again. I have promised him that we're not moving again. And so this was a house that when we bought it, it was good. It met all of our needs, but it wasn't what I wanted, and it wasn't what I agreed to would be our long-term goal, because it met our immediate needs for our family, but not for our growing family, because now we have children and grandkids that come home and we just need more room to expand. So although we thought we were downsizing, well, we didn't exactly, but our yard did downsize. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to show you on this channel is I am going to show our floor plan and show you the little tweaks that we did to it to make it more usable for our family. And then I'm going to walk you through the different remodeling projects. Now, I'm not going to have you watch me knock out walls and things like that, but I will throw a couple of pictures up here that show you just what we got down into. So our house was built in 1962. It is a solid brick house, and when I say it's a solid brick house, the actual structure of the house is block and brick. And so anytime we try and drill into these walls, you've got to have a hammer drill to get nails into the outside. So this has been a little bit of a unique situation for us. We're also in the Southwest now, and I grew up in the Midwest in Southern Indiana. So things are very, very different out here. So as I take you through the journey of our house, I hope to help you with your journeys on your homes. If you've got an unusual floor plan or you have an unusual situation with your family that you need to be able to tweak your floor plan or tweak how you're living in your home, draw up a quick little sketch of what your house looks like and send it to me down in the comments, and I will do my best to help you solve your problems on my channel for free. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would love to have you subscribe so that you can see the journey and also so that I can help you. So this is just a little short video as an introduction to let you know where we're going next. And for the next video of IDZYN2SELL, I'm going to start you on the journey of our house remodel. So I hope to see you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.